Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. You better go straight to our website when you're done watching this video, because these 70 Chevelles do not last long. And look what we've got here. A red on red 70 Chevelle, 454, 4-speed, posi, air conditioned, cowl induction, factory gauges, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, Hotchkiss suspension. This is a hot ticket right here. You can go to volocars.com, and that's where you'll find the price, all the specs, and the photos, top to bottom of this car. And you'll also find a few hundred other collector cars we have all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a 70 Chevelle. Super sexy. Man, that car is slick. I love the polished wheels they put on there. The rest of the car is pretty much stock in appearance, but the wheels really dress it up. So anyway, they claimed it was a body off frame restoration. The floors are all solid, clean metal. They have an undercoat on them. The chassis is all done in a nice satin black. Up front, it's completely rebuilt. All the front end steering and suspension is new. It does have the Hotchkiss Sport package on there. It's tubular control arms. It has gas shocks. I think they're Fox shocks in front. Lowering springs, sway bar. And in back it also has lowering springs, gas shocks, Hotchkiss upper and lower control arms. Has a sway bar. Upgraded the disc brakes at all four corners. That whole system's been redone. Emergency brake cable assembly looks like it's hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's still super clean even from underneath. Has a new high torque starter on the motor. The 4-speed, it's an auto gear 4-speed. If you're not familiar with what that is, that's a company that pretty much reproduces the Muncie 4-speed. So it's not a rebuilt trans, it's a new auto gear 4-speed. Has 373 gears in the back. Pretty sure it's a 12 bolt, and it has a finned aluminum cover. The fuel system is new. The tank, the straps, the insulators, the fuel pump, all that's been replaced. And it has a great sounding exhaust. I just pulled it in here, and you're going to love how it sounds. But I'll warn you right now, we got a squealy belt on this one too, so we'll have to take care of that. But you're going to love how the exhaust sounds. The body and paint, I mean, it's sharp. I did notice the hood's sticking up a little bit right here on this side. It does seem like it wants to push down. There's leeway there, so maybe the hinge needs to be adjusted. But this fender is all smooth. Wheel well trim's nice. Emblems look new. This gap is real nice, all smooth down here. Yeah, that's nice and flush and square. All real nice. All upright in here, no issues. It's slick too. All smooth down here. This is all real nice. Don't feel the stripes at all. Not at all. Yeah, look how nice and square this fits. Yeah, same thing down here. It's all real nice. Got a little piece of dirt there. This door is real nice and square and flush. Door handle looks new. Little tiny something. Boy, you got to look for it though. New mirrors. All the stainless trim. Looks like it's been replaced. Rear window is new. So I'm sure the windshield's new. Has cowl induction hood. These are American Racing polished aluminum wheels. Obviously performance tires. Nexen tires. And it looks like they're 18-inch. Got hood pins, the bumper, the grill, the bezels, all that's real nice up here. Beautiful, and it's a modern heat and air conditioning system. It's got the billet brackets and pulleys and serpentine belt, power steering and brakes. We'll get right back to that in a minute. Real nice interior. The seats look like they've got new cushion because they fit real nice. So new upholstery, new chrome, new carpet, embroidered floor mats. It has seat belts front and back. I noticed the light is working at the back of the console. Door panels, these look like they've been replaced. It's all real nice. Door jambs are real nice, painted, new weather strips. Painted real slick and glossy. The jambs are real neat. New weather strip. The mat looks new. It has a really nice spatter finish paint. Nice durable coat. All nice and clean. There's no splices on the quarters. I think this one was built in Atlanta. Yeah, if they put quarters on, they put full ones on. There's no splices. You got a brand new tire on the rim for a spare. The jack assembly is there. Got two 6x9 speakers. Has the decals. Window cranks. Handles look real nice. Looks like a reproduction steering wheel. Now this has the factory gauges, the tachometer and gauges. The guy I bought it from also just put in aftermarket gauges, and he even said the originals work. He finds the new ones are more accurate. So you got the cowl induction system. You got some nice valve covers, billet timing chain cover, polished alternator, dual electric fans. It has these fancy hoses with the clamps on them. I forget what they're calling those, but they're like a heat shrink clamp. Coated headers, got nice dipsticks. Batteries bolted down. Everything looks real nice. It has these really nice billet hinges. Those are expensive. It looks like an MSD ignition system. It's got a lot of features. This checks all your boxes. What's it missing? It's got air, it's got colors, it's got 4-speed. Really, what's it missing? Cowl induction door did close. Sounds like a race car. Except for the squeaky belt. Over about 70 pounds of oil pressure right now at an idle. A retro stereo. Ooh, that belt's annoying. No, we don't have to hear that anymore. Got the hood insulation, wiper motor looks new, chrome plated brake booster and master. Has the polished overflow bottle for the radiator. So there you have it. This looks like a really nice car. Sill plates are nice. I was noticing even up in the front jambs by the hinges looks really nice. So it's not a 100-point perfect car. There's a little stain on the floor mat that might clean up. You know, you'll find minor stuff. You want to nitpick it. But boy, is this thing nice. I'd say it's exceptional. It'll go through the shop to be serviced. Obviously the belts, fluids, lights, we check all that stuff out. So go to volocars.com. There's plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my impression of the car, but they'll answer any specific questions or concerns that you have. They can also help with the financing, shipping, paperwork, make all that easy for you. If you enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can click on the bell icon, and that way you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.
Hey, Jay.
Hi, how are you?
How's it going, sir?
Good.
How you been?
Good, good.